I promise that the painting will be better. Woo! Better than this intro. Hello guys, my name is Doke and I'm sorry that I disappointed you. The very last episode of I Try with Hologram was probably the first one in this whole series that failed. After a failure comes a victory. The steampunk effect. Yes, that's right. Today I'm trying to paint steampunk style. And don't you worry, if you don't know what it is, I didn't know either. Unless I put it into Google and I realized that it is such a cool effect. Let me show you in the preparation. My first steps, as always, we're heading to Google. But this time not really for a reference picture, but to find out what the hell is steampunk. I immediately realized that it is this famous style that you might know from some movies or even the famous festival Burning Man. As you can see, steampunk style is basically based on vintage metal sculptures. But it is not just about the metal. There are also plenty of items that are typical for steampunk, such as all this mechanical stuff, hats, goggles, such as you have seen in my intro, steam, clocks, and so on. I'll use all the materials that I found just as a reference and I'll try to create my own steampunk. The sketching process starts, as always, with a letter structure. After that, I tried to build my own steampunk letters based on the reference pictures that I found. When I got the structure, I tried to add color, texture, and so on. So right now I'm fully prepared for the painting of the letter D. Yeah, just the letter D, because, you know, I'm kind of lazy to finish the next three letters, O, K, and E. So I'll just need to figure them out based on the letter D on the wall. So let's paint. Hi, I'm still here. The creation of this sketch was fun. It was like a building of my own steam machine. Yeah, and it was not so hard, but right now comes the harder part, the part where I need to create the effect steam, metal, yeah, steampunk overall. Here are the colors that I'll use. These are the most important colors that I'll use for the metal stuff, from really dark brown to almost Labrador. All right. Letter O. doesn't have the steam ventil, but I mean this, you know, the spot where the steam from inside the machine goes out. It's something like an exhaust on a car. Okay, so we have a little bit of steam. There will be more of it when the fill is done. Time for the filling. That's, you know what, I'll do shadows first. Far, so good, but right now comes the hardest part, creating of the textures and finish. Yeah, let's do it. I just wanted to let you know that like 15 minutes ago I almost smashed my cans and left. I almost freaked out because frankly I didn't do my preparation. Let me explain it. I do remember, like I said, that I've prepared just the letter D for the painting and that all the other letters will be just similar. Well, apparently even the letter D wasn't prepared that good. I heard somewhere that it's completely okay when artists feel like a shit when they paint, because also professional sportsmen, when they give their best performance, they don't smile, they're like... But yeah, you can also do a better preparation, right? I just love these cables. They make it like boop. Okay, the steampunk needs more steam. Right now the steam is just in the background, but we need to make it also over the letters. Guys, the steampunk piece is done, and I have to say that I love it, which is weird because after these words that I said like 2 hours ago, but it turned nice, and I don't really know even how, and that's the problem, because I want to know how. I want to know how I do things. But yeah, I'm truly happy that I found this idea that I told you before on the internet, that it's completely okay when artists suffer, because you know, sometimes I feel bad because I'm having like the best job in the world, and I feel like I should love every single part of it, that I should never feel bad. And when I'm suffering, I tend to have a feeling that I have to fix something because it's not normal. And it truly helps me that it is normal, because I don't have a feeling that I need to fix something anymore, which is great. Okay, I hope that you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's time to show you the steampunk piece. Guys, if you like it, thumb up would be awesome as always. And who knows, maybe the smoky effect will be the next one. This is it.